DesignISH Studios. Today we will be making a bird decoration using simple techniques. Come on, let's get started.
First, let's apply the base color. Here I have chosen yellow ochre. You need to go for 2 to 3 coats in front and at the back and leave it to dry for 24 hours. Now I am taking the mirrors and marking its placements with a pencil. Now stick it on with a PVA glue and leave it to dry. But I am starting straight away to show it to you all. Now I am taking a red permanent marker and marking the outlines of the bird. Now I am defining the head part, the wings and the feathers. Now I am taking a blue marker and adding little circle designs around the head. Now I am adding a semicircular design around the wings part. Now adding some dashing lines in the feathers part. Adding the eye details and going an inner line in the head. Now adding some semicircle in the feathers. Adding some more details. The same semicircle design across. Adding little more details. Now let's draw a flower around the mirror in the wing. I'm filling it up with a red color. Now taking a gold marker and marking the lines for the flower petals. It's nearly finished. Here's the one I made earlier. Once the glue is dried, just go around the mirror with a red marker. Now I'm just making a string of beads and tying it securely with a knot. Now I'm adjusting the length and adding a knot. Cut away the extra thread and place it securely with a glue and leave it to dry for 24 hours. Ta-da! It's ready! Alternatively, you can glue a magnet at the back and use it as a fridge magnet too.
Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you again next week in another video. In the meantime, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.